Welcome teachers to our first podcast on Web 2.0 tools. Tools for collaboration and for active learning. What is Web 2.0? Web 2.0 changed the average internet surfer from passive consumer to active participant. The level of participating can vary from simple rating or voting, through blogs and galleries to creative learning communities. Web 2.0 is about sharing your ideas and opinions. It's about open source applications and free tools for everybody. It's about giving and getting. Web 2.0 supports the idea of an active and creative learner. As tools for collaboration make the learning process visible, the focus changes from the product to the process, and thus teacher's role changes from a distributor of knowledge to a guide on the path of learning and understanding. Whereas Web 1.0 was one way, Web 2.0 is two-way. Whereas Web 1.1 was authoritarian, Web 2.0 was democratic and active. Where one was hierarchical and static, Web 2.0 is a network and dynamic. Web 2 technologies provide teachers with new ways to engage students and even allow student participation on a global level. Will Richardson stated in blogs, wikis, podcasts and other powerful web tools for the classrooms that the web has the potential to radically change what we assume about teaching and learning, and it presents us with important questions to ponder. What needs to change about our curriculum when our students have the ability to reach audiences far beyond our classroom walls? Web 2 tools are needed in the classroom to prepare both students and teachers for the shift in learning that Collins and Halverson describe. According to Collins and Halverson, the self-publishing aspects as well as the speed with which their work becomes available for consumption allows teachers to give students the control they need over their learning. This control is the preparation students will need to be successful as learning expands beyond the classroom. Web 2.0 calls for major shifts in the way education is provided for students. One of the bigger shifts that William Richardson points out in his book is the fact that education should be collaboratively constructed. This means that students in a Web 2.0 classroom are expected to collaborate with their peers. By making the shift to a Web 2.0 classroom, teachers are creating a more open atmosphere where students are expected to stay engaged and participate in class discussions. In fact, there are many ways for educators to use Web 2.0 technologies in their classrooms. And therefore you may be asking, what are these many ways that educators have to use Web 2.0 technologies in their classrooms? How can we use Web 2 tools to motivate and further engage our students and pupils that are in front of us? This, teachers, is what we shall be talking about in the future podcasts that will follow this one. I shall be giving you practical examples of how free Web 2 tools may be used to integrate into your teaching. I hope you enjoyed our first podcast. We'll be hearing from each other soon. Goodbye.